The most powerful nose in nature belongs to a bear. Its olfactory bulb is 7 times larger than yours. Imagine 100 million scent receptors, working overtime. This isn't just a good sniffer. It's a biological supercomputer, processing a world invisible to us. Evolution had one job: make this nose count. It went feral. This massive sensory input guides them across immense landscapes, like Yellowstone National Park, where their territories span over 500 square miles. A complex network of turbinates inside the snout funnels scent molecules to 100 million receptor cells. That's a biological supercomputer processing data at an astonishing rate. A brown bear's nose is so ridiculously acute, it has approximately 1,500 genes dedicated to olfactory receptors alone. Your genome has less than half that number, at around 400 genes. This genetic investment translates into unparalleled scent perception. They can pick up decaying flesh from several kilometers, like a siren call to dinner. Their powerful sense of smell drives their entire foraging strategy, allowing detection of crucial resources like carrion, berries, and hibernating prey. This incredible sensitivity allows them to locate hibernating rodents buried a meter deep under snow. No ground-penetrating radar needed, just pure biological data processing. When a bear exhales, it doesn't just breathe, it sniffs, with an average of 42 sniffs per minute. Humans average only 12 to 16 breaths per minute, a mere whisper compared to a bear's full-throated scent declaration. Scientists observed brown bears could follow the subtle scent trail of a moose calf for up to 30 hours after it passed. A cold case for a human, a fresh lead for a bear. Their nostrils can be independently controlled, allowing for stereo olfaction. 25 square meters of scent-capturing real estate. That's the surface area inside a bear's nose, for maximum absorption. The secret to this incredible ability lies not just in distance, but in the astounding anatomical structures built for scent detection. Evolution had ideas. Within this vast surface, over 2,000 distinct olfactory receptor genes decode scent information, representing over 80% of mammalian olfactory gene capability. Each individual receptor can detect a single molecule, then fire that signal to a massive olfactory bulb. Nature said, "Why not?" This unbelievably complex system ensures no edible scrap goes unnoticed, from a carcass buried under leaves to a tiny ant colony. They are nature's ultimate forensic nose. Beyond receptor genes, the bear's nasal cavity is a labyrinth of bony structures called turbinates. These create an incredible 25 square meters of surface area for maximum scent absorption. Think of it like a microscopic bellows, constantly drawing in air. From the vast taiga of Siberia to the Yellowstone wilderness, these structures operate in environments demanding extreme sensory precision. Survival often hinges on an unseen signal. Air entering the nostrils circulates through these turbinates in a precise vortex. This increases contact time for scent molecules, allowing for 27 times more interaction than a straight passage. How does it manage such extreme sensory precision? Within these turbinates, specialized cilia, tiny hair-like projections, further increase the detection surface. Each cilium extends the scent-catching capacity by 10,000 times. The sheer volume of processed air is astounding. A bear can inhale up to 12 liters of air per minute during active sniffing. That's like siphoning a gallon of milk every 30 seconds. Your gym routine is shaking. It's not just the sheer number of olfactory receptor cells, a staggering 200 million, that grant bears their incredible scent prowess. It's the sophisticated supercomputer processing these molecules within the brain, a feat still eluding our AI. This isn't just brute force scent detection. It's about filtering the cacophony of the forest and precisely isolating the target scent. Imagine 1,000 different perfumes sprayed at once. Your brain would short-circuit. A bear's brain doesn't. It's constantly recalibrating a 3D map of the smellscape, even when navigating challenging terrains like river crossings. Specialized neural networks, capable of storing thousands of distinct scent profiles, act as an odor memory bank, each one a potential meal, a mate, or a predator. You might notice them pause, curling their upper lip in a flamin response, which isn't just odd. It's a biological hack to funnel air into the vomeronasal organ, boosting their detection of crucial pheromones. Evolution had ideas. For a mother bear, this means keeping tabs on her cubs, whose scent can disperse over several hundred meters in dense undergrowth. They almost never lose a child. This intricate neurological processing happens at speeds measured in milliseconds. Their brains are wired to identify food or danger before your eyes even register it. And here's a kicker. 1/3 of a bear's neocortex is dedicated solely to scent processing. That's like dedicating an entire city block in your brain just to sniffing. Compared to us, bears can differentiate smells 7 times more acutely than a bloodhound. Your prize-winning German Shepherd looks utterly clueless now. Within their olfactory bulb, specialized glomeruli are organized into 2,000 distinct units for this fine-tuned analysis. That's 2,000 dedicated scent sensors working in concert. 20 miles. That's how far a bear can smell its next meal, a distance far greater than any human sense can comprehend. From the vast Arctic tundra to dense forest undergrowth, the bear's sense of smell is its ultimate hunting tool. Imagine tracking your lunch from across a major city. Bears can locate hidden prey, like a rodent burrowed 6 feet deep under snow, with astonishing pinpoint accuracy. Navigating complex terrain, dense forests, or winding riverbeds becomes an olfactory GPS. No satellite required, just a nose that's seen 300 million years of evolution. Brown bears in Alaska detect spawning salmon up to 15 miles upstream, navigating complex river systems by scent alone. They use micro-changes in air currents to precisely refine their search trajectory, following invisible scent corridors. This olfactory superpower isn't just about location. It allows them to identify prey's health, age, or weakness. This maximizes hunting efficiency and minimizes risk. Even after a heavy rain, scent molecules cling to vegetation, allowing tracking for hours afterward. Grizzly bears in Yellowstone often achieve a 70% success rate on surprise ambushes, heavily relying on this acute scent detection. Specialized receptors detect unique chemical signatures, like specific berries or fish species, processing this data faster than your smartphone. Bears use their nose to avoid danger too, detecting large predators or rival bears 10 minutes before visual contact. Scent dispersion varies drastically across biomes, a forensic nightmare for any prey. Some bears migrate over 100 miles, guided by faint seasonal scents of salmon runs or ripening fruit. During peak salmon runs, a bear differentiates individual fish within an immense flow of 10,000 gallons of water per minute. It's an olfactory filter, selecting the fattest, most energy-rich fish for hibernation. 5 billion years of evolution, and bears still smell like the original super spy. That's the scent-detecting legacy we're exploring. Their incredible olfactory world, where an invisible thread of scent determines life and death, is more than just a biological marvel. It defines the bear's very existence. This mastery allowed bears to colonize diverse niches across the northern hemisphere for over 5 million years. Scientists discovered bears possess 1,200 functional olfactory receptor genes. Humans, by contrast, navigate the world with a paltry 400. A bear can filter one specific food scent from a million other environmental odors. You struggle to find your keys in the couch. Their olfactory prowess makes them crucial ecosystem engineers, shaping plant distribution and maintaining population health across millions of square kilometers. Detecting predators or rivals at extreme range saves a bear from 80% of potential conflicts. Better than any negotiation tactic, and significantly less awkward. The bear's intricate turbinate bones create an astonishing 30 square inches of scent-detecting surface, maximizing molecule capture within the nasal cavity. They locate buried food caches even after 6 months of snow cover, pinpointing their exact location beneath several feet of ice. Your memory of where you parked last week is already hazy. Human encroachment forces bears to rely more on their nose to navigate fragmented habitats, increasing human-wildlife encounters by 15% annually. Neuroscientists still struggle to replicate the bear brain's real-time odor analysis, a feat that happens 10 times per second with incredible accuracy. Imagine that precision. A female bear's estrus scent can attract mates from 5 miles away. That's like yelling your availability across a small city. Bear cubs use their smell to identify their mother's unique scent within hours of birth, bonding instantly.